everyone, मेरे पास है piggy bank. This is my piggy bank. In front, this is lock. This is bank. Where you open and this. Let's see. Some type of card paper. This is lock and key. Cannot steal the money. You cannot steal the money. Follow it. Look inside. Can see? This is key and this is lock. I'll show you. This is two lock, one key lock, and you can another two key. Not last two key. Look, it's open. You close like this without key. Then this is hole. You can see hole very tiny. Let's hang. This is what you do in. This is lock. You open this up lock and twist it. Where we put coin from here and where we put note in here. And open, you can fill this up and pick up in safe place. And look, this is print and pocket to tell. Unicorn print and bamboo print. Looks like a print in like a window. And this is blue. Cat and apple. Apple's not red color. I mean pink color. Of red color. Cup and bee. It's real cup, not. It's emoji cup. And what I'm telling in front like this. Is this? What is it? Unicorn. And this is window for window. This is rainbow and sparkly star. And this one sparkly star. And rainbow शीशा. और ये है ये रेनबो के स्टाइल जैसे पिंक है. इस साइड पे ऊपर भी है बस. और ये क्लाउड है. Thank you for watching our video of Bang. Bye bye.